Is just playing at the library, making friends. Playing at the library, making friends. Oh, do you want a letter? Carrington, she has a letter for you. She wanted to give you that letter. She wanted to give that to you. No?
Get down? Get down? Share.
Share. Oh, there you go.
You want to get another one? Get another? You want to get in the share?
Share. Doing your puzzle. Olivia's at the library for the first time. She's just hanging out at the library doing puzzles. You're in the chair. Hi.
Chair.
Oh. You want to go look at some books?
You want to get down? You want to get down?
You want to go look at some books? Do you want to pick out a couple?
Come on. Down.
You can pick out a couple books to bring home.
Go. Where do you want to go? Oh, she likes the chair. Hi, chair. Say, I love my
We're
chair.
at the library. Our library is really cool.
Sit.
It's got all this fun stuff for kids.
Sit.
It's got all these play area and puzzle area. Yeah. So much fun, Olivia, looking at all the kids playing.